Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to my home. I want to introduce you to my new YouTube videos. I'm going to teach you how to prepare wonderful meals. Nothing fancy, but really enjoyable food. I believe that anyone can cook a great meal with a little practice, or maybe you'll learn some new cooking techniques. I will share my shortcuts. I'm also the king of leftovers, because if you're tired of the same meals every week, I have the answers. I was raised in upstate New York and started cooking on my Susie Homemaker grill when I was 6 years old, and I never stopped. My mom was a good cook and taught me the basics. I moved to Denver and worked in a restaurant. I learned to experiment with foods. Denver was full of life and great food. I really loved it. I hope to bring some new menu ideas to your table so you can impress your friends and family. I'll also have some expert help with wine pairing. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you. My name is Bill, and cheers.